Part 8 Bihar SSC Inter Level 29th जनवरी 2017 जनरल स्टडीज 50th क्वेश्चन। आज हम लोग पार्ट 8 करेंगे जो कि फाइनल रहेगा। टोटल 50 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। चलिए हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 करते हैं। क्या बोल रहा है? अमोंग द सिंबल्स एसोसिएटेड विथ ओकेजन्स रिलेटेड टू बुधा द स्तूप सिंबलाइजेज। स्तूप डेथ को दर्शाता है। कुशीनगर उत्तर प्रदेश is the place where Buddhists believe Gautam Buddha attained parinirvan after his death. Mahaparinirvan is a Sanskrit word meaning final death. After the death of Buddha, his followers built a stupa where the relics of Buddha were kept. Events related to Buddha and representing symbols. Birth, लोटस एंड बुल सिंबल बर्थ को दर्शाता है। द ग्रेट डिपार्चर, महाविनिष्क्रमण, महा महाविनिष्क्रमण हॉर्स को दर्शाता है। फर्स्ट सरमन, धर्म चक्र परिवर्तन विल को दर्शाता है। एनलाइटमेंट, बोधि ट्री। डेथ, परिनिर्वाण स्तूप को दर्शाता है। क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 37। The last ruler of Gupta dynasty was Vishnugupta. Vishnugupta was the last known ruler of Gupta dynasty. After the reign of Skandagupta, the Gupta dynasty started to decline. Successors of Skandagupta were unable to consolidate the position of the empire. Successors of Skandagupta were very less known rulers and Vishnugupta was one among them, and he was also the last ruler of the Gupta dynasty. Skandagupta. Skandagupta also took the title Vikramaditya. Chandragupta was the first Gupta ruler of the Gupta dynasty. Chandragupta took the title of Maharaja Dhiraja. Name of the kings, Gupta kings, title assumed. Sri Gupta, founder of the empire, आदिराज और महाराज का टाइटल एज्यूम किया। घटोत्कच, यह महाराजा का टाइटल एज्यूम किया। चंद्रगुप्त फर्स्ट, महाराजा धीराज का टाइटल लिया। समुद्रगुप्त, यह पराक्रमंक marked with powers. अपरातिराथा, unrivaled chariot warrior. अपरातिवार्य वीर्य, irresistible valor. व्याघ्र पराक्रमंका, processor of tiger. सर्वोराज, ओछेता, अपरूटर ऑफ ऑल किंग्स। ये समुद्रगुप्त का टाइटल था। कितना डिफिकल्ट था। चंद्रगुप्त द सेकेंड, विक्रमादित्य का टाइटल लिया। विक्रमानक, देवगुप्त का, देवराजा का, देवश्री का। कुमारगुप्त, महेंद्रदित्य का, व्याघ्रवाला का, पराक्रमम का। चंद्रगुप्त द सेकेंड, यह विक्रमादित्य का लिया। विक्रमानक देवगुप्त का, देवराज का, देवश्री का। कुमारगुप्त जो था यह महेंद्रदित्य का, व्याघ्रवाला का और पराक्रमम का। स्कंदगुप्त जो था वो विक्रमादित्य का और सक्रोपाना का टाइटल लिया। क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट, Abacus was discovered during Shang civilizations. Abacus stands for Abundant Beads Addition and Calculation Utility System. Abacus was the oldest counting machine in the world. Abacus was invented during the late Shang dynasty of China. Shang civilization. Shang civilization was the earliest ruling dynasty of China. The Shang heralded the Bronze Age in China. They were known for their advances in math, astronomy, artwork, and military technology. Clear? Next. Question number 39. Which country ruled Germany in the 18th century? France. France ruled Germany in the 18th century. Germany was not fully unified country at that time, but rather a loose confederation of independent states and principalities. French Emperor Napoleon's forces were strong enough to conquer and control the whole mainland Europe, including the numerous German states. Napoleon reorganized Germany into 39 larger states. Napoleon also established the Confederation of the Rhine, a league of 16 German states. This brought further unification to Germany. Napoleon was defeated firstly at Leipzig in 1813 and then at Waterloo in 1815, bringing an end to the Confederation of Rhine. Germany was finally unified in 1871 by the great effort of Bismarck. Clear? Next. Question number 40. What fraction of the total numbers is required for a quorum in both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in India? 110. Quorum. A quorum is the minimum number of members required to be present before a meeting is allowed to begin. The quorum of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha is 1/10 of the total membership of each house. If there is no quorum, it shall be the duty of the chairman or speaker to adjourn the house or suspend the meeting. Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha is composed of representatives of people chosen by direct election on the basis of universal adult suffrage. The maximum strength of the house is 552 members. 530 members to represent the states, 20 members to represent the union territories, 2 members to be nominated by President from Anglo-Indian community. But in January 2020, the Anglo-Indian reserved seats in the Parliament and state legislatures of India were abolished by the 104th Constitutional Amendment Act 2019. At present, the strength of the House is 543. The term of Lok Sabha, unless dissolved, is 5 years from the date appointed for its first meeting. Rajya Sabha, the maximum strength of the House is 250 members. Out of 250, 238 are representatives of the states and the two union territories, and 12 are nominated by the President. The present strength of Rajya Sabha, however, is 245, out of which 233 are representatives of the states and union territories of Delhi and Puducherry, and 12 are nominated by the President. The current chairman of Rajya Sabha is Jagdeep Dhankar since 11 August 2022. Next. Question number 41. Where is the weekly Charlie Hebdo published? Paris. Charlie Hebdo is a French weekly magazine. Charlie Hebdo was published for the first time in 1970. Charlie Hebdo is published in Paris, France. France, capital Paris है. President अभी change हुआ है. Prime Minister ये भी change हुआ है. Clear है? Next. Question 42. H1N1 is caused by virus. H1N1. H1N1 is caused by a virus. H1N1 is a subtype of influenza virus. H1N1 causes swine flu. H1N1 affects humans, cattle and birds. H1N1 affects the respiratory system. H1N1 results in fever, chills, headache and runny nose. Viruses. Viruses are tiny non-living organisms. Virus requires the host for its survival. Virus genetic material is dsDNA or ssDNA or ssRNA or dsRNA. Virus has an outer protein coat termed capsid for its protection. Virus infects plants, bacteria and animals. Bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled microbes that lack a nucleus. Bacteria is found in air, water and land. Bacteria is rod, comma or spiral shaped. In plants, bacteria causes canker, blight, mildew and black spot. In animals, bacteria causes botulism, gonorrhea and syphilis. Fungus. Fungus is unicellular or multicellular. Fungus has septa. Fungus has filamentous hyphae. In plants, fungus causes rust and rot. In animals, fungus causes ringworm and disease. Clear है? Next. Question number 43. Where does the famous literature festival take place? Jaipur. The literature festival is an annual festival in the Indian city of Jaipur each January. Literature festival was founded in 2006. It was the world's largest free literary festival. The 15th edition of the iconic Jaipur Literature Festival was a grand success. It took place in a hybrid mode over 10 days in March, from 5th to 15th March 2022, bringing together book lovers from across the world to listen to acclaimed writers and thinkers. The next edition of this festival will be from 19th to 23rd January 2023. Next, question number 44. What is the state flower of UP? Palas. Palas, the scientific name of Palas is Bhutia monosperma. Palas is the state flower of Uttar Pradesh. Palas is also state flower of Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand. Palas is commonly known as bastard teak. Palas is also known as the flame of the forest. Palas is deciduous tree species native to the Indian subcontinent. Palas can be used to manage diarrhea as it has antimicrobial and astringent properties. Palas also helps to manage liver disorders due to its antioxidant properties. Brahm Kamal, the scientific name of Brahm Kamal is Sausuria obvalata. Brahm Kamal is a state flower of Uttarakhand, blooming at a height of more than 14,000 feet only once a year. It is part of flora of the Himalayan region. Foxtail orchid. Foxtail orchid is the state flower of Arunachal Pradesh. Its scientific name is Rhynchos stilis. Clear? Next. Question number 45. Where is Valmiki National Park located? Bihar. The only national park located in Bihar is Valmiki National Park. It is located at India-Nepal border in the West Champaran district of Bihar, India, on the bank of river Gandak. Its previous rights were with the Betia Raj and Ramanagar Raj until the early 1950s. It is 17.4% of total geographical area of the district West Champaran. As of now, there were 40 tigers in the reserve. Next, question number 46. Where was the first woolen textile mill opened in India? Kanpur. The first woolen textile mill was established in 1876 at Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh. It was established in Kanpur because at that time Kanpur was the principal depot for the British Army. Kanpur is the largest industrial town in Uttar Pradesh. Punjab is the largest producer of woolen goods in the world. Maharashtra is India's second largest producer of woolen textiles. Next, question 47. How many main varieties of natural silk are there? 4. There are 4 types of natural silk produced in India for commercial purposes. These are known as mulberry silk, tassar silk, moga silk and eri silk. Mulberry silk comes from the silkworm Bombyx moriel, which solely feeds on the leaves of the mulberry plant. Mulberry silk contributes to the around 90% of the world's silk production. Mulberry silk is produced in 5 Indian states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Gujarat. Eri silk. Eri silk comes from the caterpillar of Samia cynthia ricini found in northeast India. Eri silk is mostly found in the tribal areas of Assam. Tassar silk. Tassar is produced from the larvae of several species of silkworms belonging to the north moth genus Antheria. Tassar silk is produced mainly in 6 cities across India: Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. Muga silk. Muga silk is known for its extreme durability and has a natural yellowish golden tint with a shimmering glossy texture. Muga silk is widely found in Assam. India is the second largest producer of silk in the world after China. About 97% of the raw silk comes from 5 Indian states, namely Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Jammu and Kashmir, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal, with Karnataka as the major producer. ठीक है, clear है? Next. Question number 48. Where is the Jallianwala Bagh located? Amritsar. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre is also known as Amritsar massacre. Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened on April 13, 1999 when acting Brigadier General Reginald Dyer ordered British Indian Army troops to fire their rifles at a crowd of unarmed Indian civilians in Jallianwala Bagh, Amritsar, Punjab. The Asian Awards honored the Jallianwala Bagh martyrs with the prestigious Founders Award in April 2019. Colonel Reginald Edward Harry Dyer was a Bengal Army general. His military career started to sever briefly in the regular British Army before being transferred to to serve sorry, his military career started to serve briefly in the regular British Army before being transferred to serve with India's Presidential Army. He was responsible as a temporary brigadier general for the Amritsar massacre at Jallianwala Bagh. After Rowlatt Satyagraha got huge support in Punjab, the government handed over the administration to the military authorities under General Dyer to suppress this violent situation ongoing. Political leaders were detained and all public meetings were banned by the General Dyer. Being unaware of the prohibitory orders in the city, a large crowd had gathered on Baisakhi Day in this small park to protest against the arrest of their leaders Dr. Saifuddin Kichli and Dr. Satyapal. Under the orders from General Dyer, the gathering was surrounded by the army. They blocked the only exit point and opened fire on the unarmed crowd. A large number of people lost their lives. Clear and next. Question number 49. Where did Guru Gobind Singh get his education and where did he learn Persian? Anandpur Sahib. Guru Gobind Singh got his education and learned Persian at Anandpur Sahib. Guru Gobind Singh learned Persian from Bhai Sati Das and a Muslim cleric Qazi Pir Muhammad. Guru Gobind Singh was born on 22nd December 1666 in Patna, Bihar. Guru Gobind Singh was the last of the 10th Sikh Gurus after the demise of his father, Guru Tegh Bahadur, the 9th Sikh Guru. Guru Gobind Singh founded the principles of Khalsa or the 5 Ks, which include Ks, the practice of letting one's hair grow naturally without cutting it, Kanga, wooden comb, Kara, iron or steel bracelet, Kirpan, dagger, and Kachera, sword breeches. He was assassinated in 1708. Last question, question number 50. Amjad Ali Khan is known for playing Sarod. Amjad Ali Khan Bangas, born 9 October 1945 in an Indian classical Sarod player, best known for his clear and fast Ekhara Tans. Amjad was awarded India's second highest civilian honor Padma Vibhushan in 2001. Amjad learned from his father Hafiz Ali Khan, who was a court musician in Gwalior up until independence in 1947. The name Sarod comes from Persian Sarod meaning melody, alluding to its more melodic tone. अब चलिए देखते हैं फेमस इंस्ट्रूमेंटलिस्ट ऑफ इंडिया। जाकिर हुसैन तबला से रिलेटेड है, पंडित अनिंदो चटर्जी तबला से रिलेटेड है, पंडित अनोखी लाल मिश्रा तबला से रिलेटेड है, अहमद जान तिरखवा तबला से रिलेटेड है, एल सुब्रमण्यम वायलिन से संबंधित है, एन राजम वायलिन से संबंधित है, रागनी शंकर वायलिन से संबंधित है, एल अथीरा कृष्णा वायलिन से संबंधित है, मुथुस्वामी दीक्षितार वीणा से संबंधित है, विनाय धनामाल वीणा से संबंधित है, वीणा सेसाना वीणा से संबंधित है। ये मॉक नंबर 1 टोटल 50 जनरल स्टडीज के क्वेश्चन बिहार एसएससी इंटर लेवल के कंप्लीट हो गए। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब।